Hi everyone, I'm Sadish. Welcome back. According to the United Nations Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the sea level is rising sharply because of the global warming. The sea level rise is not a science fiction, but it is a reality. According to IPCC, the sea level is rising 4 millimeters per year. Scientists have already warned that the ocean is likely to rise 1 meter by 2100 if the Earth's surface warms another 3.5 degrees Celsius. So the rising sea level could be threat of the lot of living beings on the planet. Now let's look at the reason for the sea level rise. The sea level rise is mainly caused by the melting of glaciers, ice sheets and ice caps. These ice sheets are located in Greenland and Antarctica. These ice sheets is a mass of ice that covers the area of more than 50,000 square kilometers. And the ice sheets hold enough frozen water to lift the ocean about 13 meters high. These ice caps, something similar to ice sheet, but it covers the area of less than 50,000 square kilometers. These ice sheets and ice caps are melting 6 times faster than during 1990s. Now scientists have no doubt about that we humans are causing the carbon emission and responsible for the global warming. Now, deforestation. The plants and trees play a vital role in the human existence. What we exhale, they inhale. What they exhale, we inhale. So we cannot rule out the importance of the plants and trees in the human life. Now, burning any carbon, materially burned carbon dioxide is emitted. Burning of fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum, natural gas. Industrial emission, that carbon emission from planes, vehicles, etc. So all these emitted gases are called greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, halogen, nitrogen. What they do is, all these greenhouse gases trapping the heat in the atmosphere of the earth and causing the global warming. Now let's look at the main consequence of this sea level rise. Now as you all know, 2/3 of the earth is covered with water. Most of the oceans are interconnected. Now the constant rise of sea level posing threat to the lot of millions or hundreds of people living in the coastal communities, and they'll be forced to leave their homes and move to another area. Now, sea level rising also causes soil erosion, threatening of farmland, housing, recreational areas, and it's polluting water bodies, and loss of habitation of birds, animals, and a lot of other species. On the other hand, the higher sea level rises also causes heavy rains and strong winds. Now finally, the low-lying island will be swallowed by water and leading to the large land area, and sometimes countries being swallowed in the water. There are proofs in the past, lost cities being found underneath the water. For example, Cleopatra Palace in Egypt, lost city of Atlantis in Atlantic Ocean. In India, you can have an example like Dwarka city in India. Now, experts predict that 15 USA cities will be underwater by 2100 because 10 of them already on the ocean floor. Now, what I would like to conclude from the sea level rising is, because of the global warming and large formation of ice glaciers, ice sheets, ice caps melt, they won't return back to the original shape. Usually, I'm talking about 30-40 years ago, these ice glaciers, ice sheets and ice caps crumble during the summer and get back to their original solid state when the winter season is back. Now because of the global warming, they are not retaining the original shape because winter delays and spring anticipate. So ice does not reattach to the original shape. But if humanity succeeds to cutting down the carbon emission by using the clean energy and bring down the global temperature below 2 degrees Celsius, whatever the prediction the scientists predicting, the global sea level rise will above 1 feet after 2100, and it could be manageable. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you once again.